Yo, what is up, peeps? It's your boy Jess with Jess Whips. Back at it here at the channel. Got another video. Sorry, it's been a hot minute since the last upload. Just been super busy with life and shit, you know. Me and Lily actually moved from downtown Tampa over to Largo, which, if some of y'all don't know where that is, it's just across the bridge. It's about 40 minutes west towards the beach from Tampa. It's like right below Clearwater, right above St. Pete. So we moved over here because Lily coaches and personal trains and, you know, works out at the gym over in Largo. So moved over here so she's a little closer, not having to drive that far every day and being stuck at the gym for like 10, 12 hours a day. So moved over here about a month ago, up in early February. And then I actually found a new job. So that's pretty fucking exciting. I'm starting a new job, career path. It's in the real estate business, but I'm staying as a property manager slash project manager. So overseeing, you know, a lot of properties, renovating them and selling them. So it's more on the real estate side instead of the construction side. So there's really not clients involved or customers, whatever. So they find their own properties, buy them, we renovate them, and I manage that renovation and all of that. So it will be a pretty cool transition to that business, and I'm pretty excited. So big kind of shift in life right now, so that's why I just haven't posted in a while. But this video is just you know, a quick little vlog, nothing crazy. We went and installed a TOMEI exhaust on my boy Brett's Q50. You've seen it on the channel before. We did a diffuser install on that. So this one's going to be a TOMEI install on a VR30 Q50, and he's got it paired with AMS Lower Downpipes, so you guys can see the sound of that. And just an exhaust setup that, you know, you guys may be looking for. So we'll see how it fucking sounds. You know, TOMEI, they make really good shit, so I'm sure it's gonna sound pretty freaking good. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try and get some more content out here in the next, you know, the next here soon future, I should say. Just had a lot of shit the last month, just moving and finding a new job, shit like that. So, you know, the apartment, as you can see behind me, it's coming together. Got my work desk, a lot of shit on there, obviously, the fucking camera shit, you know, my PlayStation setup, and that's just, you know, my work desk. So, you know, the boy Ripley is loving the apartment. So, but, so yeah, other than that, we can get right to the fucking video. You know, TOMEI Exhaust Q50 VR30. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace. So we got the boy Brett's Q50 VR30. Is it 2017?
2017, that's it.
We got a Mac Daddy tip, that TOMEI die. So we're gonna do TOMEI catback exhaust install for you. That thing light as shit, I'll tell you that. But look at that quality, amazing. So we're gonna jack this bitch up. So here's the boy set up now. Boy got muffler delete, resonator delete. And we're going to the 3-inch TOMEI right over there. Alright, so check out the middle protector brace, I guess, whatever you want to call it, just so we don't have to disconnect this whole exhaust. Put some lube.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
on the hangers. Make it a little easier to pull her out. We'll drop this bitch down. We'll be ready to go. So it's all disconnected up there. That side, obviously both downpipes, the VR30, and all the way back.
Few inches later.
Oh yes, it slipped out.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, it slipped out. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to say that again?
Yeah, slipped right out. Fucking tiny little piece of
Oh, yeah. So dude with the lower truck.
Lower truck. That's a truck that does not sound like it.
And it should just sit out like that, huh?
Damn.
Alright. Pull her out.
Sheesh.
That boy bagged.
That boy stacked.
I think that boy bagged.
Is he back?
Yeah, you didn't hear that shit? It said psst.
Oh, you're right. Man. Gotta get a side-by-side comparison. Dang.
TOMEI stock. Sheesh.
Alright, y'all, so we are back here. It ain't a fucking car project unless you go to AutoZone at least fucking once. We gotta go get some extra bolts because your boys' old exhaust was corroded as fuck. So we gotta go get some new bolts. So we're back at it. So as you can see, the old exhaust, little tiny little baby pipes, but those bolts are nice and fried. So I'm gonna go pick up some extra ones. So other than that, we're gonna throw this puppy on. How we doing, sir?
I'm doing good, man. Trying to get this shit knocked out.
Brought Lil's car today. It's gonna be off to the paint shop here in a couple weeks. So stay tuned for that shit, because this shit's gonna look fucking absolutely amazing. So, but other than that, we're gonna get this puppy on the Mac Daddy tip. Sheesh, boy. Die.
Die.
Sheesh.
Big ass bazooka.
Big ass fucking tip.
Right.
Come on, man.
I'm sorry.
Alright, so it's currently fucking raining, as you can see. We got the fucking exhaust on. Wasn't too bad. Besides a couple of bolts on the old exhaust we had to try and use, but they were fucking corroded, so we had to go get some new ones. But yeah, exhausts are pretty super fucking simple. It's really just having WD-40 and, you know, getting them out of the fucking hanger. It's probably the biggest biggest difficulty, depending on the age of your car. But so yeah, other than that, we're gonna get her started and get some sound clips of this VR30 with TOMEI catback exhaust and AMS lower downpipes. So. Well, as y'all can see, that shit sounds pretty fucking good, I would say. So TOMEI AMS lower downpipes paired together on the VR30 q50. That shit sounds really fucking good. 3-inch titanium, not surprised at all. I kind of wish they made the TOMEI for the q60. I'm not sure if they do or not. I have to fucking look that up, but because I mean, I like my setup. I do love my setups. AFE, Takeda, catback with the AMS lower downpipes. I think